What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be doing that exhaust video that I promised you guys. Should be pretty fun. Let's get straight to it. Got a Hellcat right here as well. You guys like Mopar or whatnot. This is my brother. You guys go follow his Instagram, daily_. Super fast Hellcat. He's on the welds. My car's in here. Let's get to it. Down the street, do a couple pulls up and down, cruise it a little bit, and see how the exhaust sounds from the inside and the outside. I got a suction cup GoPro in the back. Should be pretty fun. Got my cousin James. It's his first time riding in here, so should be pretty fun. Let's do this. switched to my phone because the GoPro died on us, but still get some pretty good videos. James did a couple pulls for you guys. Do a couple more. That's it for today's video. Had some fun, did some pulls, 60 to 120 pulls. It's alright, showed you guys the exhaust. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment anything you guys want me to do next. Anything else on the car. Any reviews or whatnot. Yeah. I'll have the link up here for my last video. Show you guys my mods on the car. This beast. See you guys next time.